I'm still sick. I'm very cold. And yesterday I had a basketball game. I don't know what happened, except I'm having like weird muscle spasms in my right shoulder today. And it hurts a lot. Besides that, I'm doing really good though. How is everyone doing today? I hope you guys are having a great day and are enjoying yourselves. My phone still hasn't showed up. I lost it at the airport last week. I don't know if I told you guys, but they found it and they're shipping it back to me. It was supposed to be here on Wednesday. It's still not here, and it's Wednesday. Like it was supposed to be here 7 days ago, and it's still not here. So that sort of sucks, but we're making the best of it. I've honestly grown to sort of appreciate not having a way to contact the outside world 24/7. I mean, when you're stuck in an airport and you need to like book a hotel or tell people you're not going to be back to the city, then you freaking need a phone, and it's stressful to not have a phone. But if you're just checking views on YouTube or looking at NBA scores or stuff that just, you know, you're refreshing and just looking at stuff that really doesn't affect you in the moment, it's nice not to have that distraction. I've actually enjoyed it the past week, but since you don't have a phone, you don't find out about stuff immediately, and there's a little bit of a delay because you need to wait for someone else to tell you about something. So I was actually a little bit late on hearing about the Blake Griffin trade. Wow. Wow, what? Whoa. That was who expected Blake Griffin to go to freaking Detroit? Not me, I can tell you that. You know what, Blake Griffin, he was probably going to leave. DeAndre Jordan was probably going to leave. Lou Williams was probably going to leave. And by leave, I mean traded. I don't mean, obviously, I mean Blake Griffin's under contract for 4 years. He can't leave in free agency. He's stuck there if the Clippers want to keep him. But you're the 9th seed, why would you want to keep him, right? So the Clippers get a first-round pick. They get Avery Bradley, they get Boban Marjanovic, who's like the largest human being I've ever seen in my life, and they get Tobias Harris. Avery Bradley, I feel bad for the dude first off, because he's probably going to be playing on his 4th team in 16 months next season. Celtics traded him, he was played in Detroit, and now he's going to be in the Clippers. Clippers are probably not going to renew his contract because they're trying to salary dump here, and he is in a contract year, so he's going to be on a new team next year. 4th team in 16 months after being on the Celtics for like 7 or 8 years. I feel bad for the dude, but I mean, hopefully he has a good career wherever he ends up. Maybe he wants to take a little bit less money and come back to the Celtics. I wouldn't be complaining. But on the side of the Pistons, Blake Griffin. Wow, okay, that's an imposing front court. Andre Drummond and Blake Griffin, that is imposing. Blake Griffin has a way better jump shot than people give him credit for. This year he's shooting threes at a decent clip for a guy that's 6'11". He's an athletic beast. Even if he doesn't have the hops that he used to have like 6-7 years ago, he's still a large dude. Like, he's a physical player. And Andre Drummond is exactly that too. Maybe not the vertical and athletic ability of Blake Griffin, but he's a really, really good player as well. I'm excited to see that trade. Detroit beat Cleveland yesterday without any of those players, and that was a fun game to watch. So I'm excited to see what happens when they actually get Blake Griffin and Andre Drummond on the court together. That's going to be cool. I got a package in today though. This is pretty awesome. It is a pair, I'm not even gonna waste your time, it's a pair of Yeezys. But the interesting thing is I bought these Yeezys from a freaking Instagram ad. So, are they legit? Are they real? Are they fake? Are they fugazi? Are they foo-foo? Are they... I don't know another adjective. You could throw something in on there, but bought some Yeezys off an Instagram ad, and I'm about 99% sure that these are legit. Now keep in mind, there are fake Instagram ads, there are real Instagram ads. Stadium Good advertises on Instagram, but also the Chinese websites that sell fakes for $75 advertise on Instagram. I bought these for $300 flat, which was a pretty good price. Pretty good price, I'm not gonna lie to you, that goes a little bit under market value. This is one of the cheaper colorways, so it's still possible for it to be real. And getting it for $300. Wow, they really packed this in here. That's really, really tight. How am I even gonna... Oh my goodness. How are these gonna come out of here? They just stuffed these in here. Oh my... There we go. We're ripping the box. That's the only way we're getting these out of here. Alright, here are the shoes. Bang, bang. The 025 or whatever it says upside down. I think it would be 002 upside down backwards 3. I don't know. We got the Yeezy 350s right here. Size 12, I think they should be size 12. size 12. And this is a really sick pair of sneakers right here, and I wanted to get a double up for a reason that you guys will be hearing very soon. And I've been looking for, I spent around 4 or 5 days just trying to find the best price I could. I came across this company advertising on Instagram, $300. I think they're legit. 95% sure they're legit. I got them for $300. They showed up at my door. Boom. These are the Beluga 2.0 Yeezy 350s. Now, I've bought Yeezys off Instagram advertisements before, advertisements. I don't know why I said that so weird. That have been 100% legit, but as soon as you throw the word Instagram ad into anything, people automatically see, look, there's even a freaking receipt here that just fell out. The receipt is from, yeah, okay, perfect. The receipt is from Foot Locker. We're all good. I'm dropping the shoes. That's not good. As soon as you throw the word Instagram ad into anything, people automatically assume they're fake. I bought a pair of Core Whites this past summer off Instagram, which are 100% legit. I've had them legit checked by freaking Yeezy Busta and by the guys at SneakerCon just to prove you guys wrong. People were still saying those are fake, those are fake, those are fake. There's this wrong with them, there's this wrong with them, this is wrong with them, this is wrong with them. These look like 99.9% real. Like, I could put 99.9% of my assurances towards this pair of shoes saying that it's real, and I'm not even an expert, but these things are real. Dude, it gets easy to tell if a shoe is real or not once you've seen enough of them in hand. And it's mesh, so not all of them are shaped the same once they come out of the box. Some of them are gonna look more like that, some of them are gonna look more a bit pressed down like that. Like, people come up with the dumbest ways to see if something's legit checked. Like, see how that's a little bit wonky there? People are gonna be like, oh, it's misshapen. It's fake. It's been sitting in a box for 6 months, dude. It's probably why it's a little bit misshapen. I can trust you. I can trust me. I can tell you. What words am I looking for? As soon as I put this on my foot, it's gonna look 100% fine. So I don't know why people freak out about the shape of a mesh shoe out of a box. It's going to shift shapes. It's going to not always look the same once it comes out of a box, but 300 bucks. That's crazy. These things retail for $220. Plus tax in some states is like $238. Give or take, depending on what your tax looks like. Might even be higher than $238. And I bought them for $300. You're not making much profit off of these at that point, unless you're getting them backdoored by a Foot Locker manager for 50% off, or you're getting some sort of plug that's allowing you to pay maybe $150 or something like that instead of $200. You're not making much money. I remember when all Yeezys were over $1,000. When it was just the V1 Adidas, the 750s, and the Nike ones. Those are the only Adidas and Nike Yeezys out there. Now there's a whole bunch of 350s, and the price just keeps on going down and down and down and down. Those peanut butter V2s though, those peanut butter V2s, ooh, those things are pretty. I'm gonna be buying a pair of those 100%, but this is a nice pair of kicks as well. Do not get me wrong, this is a nice pair of kicks as well. So I'm curious to hear from you guys. Brand new pair of Yeezys. We're not talking worn Yeezys. Brand new pair of Yeezys. What is the cheapest that you've been able to buy an authentic pair for? I want to hear from you guys down in the comment section below. Is it $300? Is it even lower than $300? Maybe you've been able to get a pair for retail. If you've been able to get a pair for retail, you are very lucky. I live in a place where it's very hard to get Yeezys for retail. Winnipeg. But if you've got a pair for retail, let me know. If you've got a pair for resale that's like $250, $260, $270, like a really good price like that, let me know down in the comment section below. I'm always curious to hear what you guys have to think. And just before I finish this, or just before I turned on the camera for this clip, I know we were just talking about NBA news, but I wanted to end off the video with this. Rasul Butler and his wife apparently passed away in a car crash. I found out about it like right before I turned on the camera for this clip. And that's crazy. Like, I watched Rasul Butler play for years in the NBA. Really fun player to watch. I really liked his brand of basketball. It was just tough, grinded out, like early 2000s basketball player. And that's crazy. Like, he probably early 40s, and he's just dead in a car crash. It's crazy. So be careful out there, guys. You never know what day's your last, and just be thankful for every day you have. Rasul Butler, your family, I hope people, my condolences out to all of you guys is, I guess, what I'm trying to say. I feel bad for you. I never met you, but like that sucks. That sucks that you're like 41 and you get in a car crash, and who knows if it was an accident or what the case was, if it was your fault or not. It's terrible either way, and that's just sad news today. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm starting to feel a little bit better, so tomorrow we will be getting out of the house. I can guarantee you that. Have a good one, and until then, peace.